now coming to the question on the larger basis कि क्यों ऐसा है कि उनको या कनेक्ट करेगी कि नहीं करेगी. I think हमने there have been very few love stories, honest, जो एकदम passionate. You can take example of दिल से, DDLJ और many others. I mean या ब्रेक के बाद you know it's a very different kind of films. और जाने जाने तू या जाने ना you know तो वो हमको मिली है वो movies. तो हम वो देख के बड़े हुए हैं. But with Gen Alpha, if they have not been given that movies or those kind of stories, तो वो K-dramas में shift हो रहे हैं.
It was really special. It was that pinch me please moment because obviously मैं भी कभी कैन नहीं गई हूँ और going with my film was a really proud moment for me.
Because मेरे को यही समझ में आया कि I could feel his passion and that's the reason he was very picky about whatever he wanted to do.
My parents, I would say, really made sure of what you're talking about right now because उस टाइम पे नहीं समझ में नहीं आता है like you have so much energy in you and you're like मैं कर दिखाऊंगी and ये भी करना है मुझे वो भी करना है इसके लिए भी ये भी वो भी. उस टाइम पे इतना नहीं समझ में आ रहा होता कि the speed that you're going at you need to calm down and just like maybe let loose a little. See me as a person, I try to look at the brighter side और मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि छोड़ो नेगेटिविटी जितना हो सके आप पॉजिटिव रहो. मैं खुद भी किसी के बारे में मैं बोल ही नहीं पाती हूँ कुछ नेगेटिव.
Hello and welcome. You are watching India.com with me Malika Mehzabeen. And in conversation today we have the two most special guests with us. Let's welcome the cast of Love in Vietnam, Shantanu Maheshwari and Avneet Kaur. Hi everybody. Hi both of you. How are you guys doing?
Thank you. Great. How are you?
Good. So सबसे पहले तो लव इन वियतनाम.
Yes.
वहीं से शुरू करते हैं.
Absolutely.
We should.
I saw the trailer और let me tell you it was such a delight to watch you guys. बहुत ऐसे मशी एंड कोजी रोमांस वाली फीलिंग आई मुझे. बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला है ट्रेलर को. हाउ आर यू गाइज टेकिंग इट? कैसा लग रहा है?
Just positively and just so full of love, sorry. And it's been amazing trailer, be it trailer or the songs or anything, people are really enjoying it. I'm really happy.
Especially songs, yes, definitely.
You like the song, right?
Definitely. कैसी है फीलिंग शांतनु?
बहुत अच्छी है. मतलब अभी जो भी एसेट्स हमारे फिल्म के जा रहे हैं बाहर, obviously it's lovely to see the response and बस ऐसे ही बना रहे. ये रिस्पॉन्स थिएटर तक भी आए. दैट इज व्हाट वी आर होपिंग एंड फिंगर्स क्रॉस. होपफुली ऐसा ही होगा. मतलब इट्स अ ग्लोबल फिल्म. it's a different kind of a film. It has generated a lot of conversation and ideas because we are also going through ऐसे comment section में क्या क्या है क्या नहीं. तो किसी को love triangle लग रहा है, किसी को लग रहा है fragment of imagination, किसी को लग रहा है it's just tourism film also. People think that way also.
Yeah.
And but overall in general people are loving the fact that it's like it's a one thing I would like to say, like what I really loved about fact is a lot of people were talking about कि यार इनको chance मिला. You know that just shows that okay, people have been following our journey and there are few people who are really rooting for us. So that feels very sweet and humbled about it. So yeah, it's nice to have that.
Wow, that's lovely. Since we are talking about the movie, मुझे आप दोनों थोड़ा अपने कैरेक्टर्स के बारे बताइए. What you guys are coming up with और लोगों को कौन सी एक ऐसी स्पेसिफिक बात है जो बिल्कुल मूव कर जाएगी या जो टच होगी बिल्कुल.
Okay.
I think for Simi is a cute, bubbly Punjabi girl and full of life, and she loves her people, like her parents, her family, her friends, and she loves Manav, obviously, as we can see very clearly in the trailer. और वो बचपन के दोस्त है, बचपन से साथ में है, साथ में बड़े हुए हैं. और वो बहुत प्यार करती है मानव से. वो चाहती है मानव के साथ रहना. और समथिंग दैट आई रियली थिंक वुड कनेक्ट टू द ऑडियंस वुड बी द lengths that she can go to protect the ones that she loves.
The length, true.
Yeah. So that you don't know now because obviously like वो आपको बाद में पता चलेगा वो कितना
how far she can go for the loved one.
What she can do basically.
Right. And आपका character?
For me, yeah, sorry, मैं lost हो गया इसके आंसर.
He's thinking कि ऐसा क्या हुआ?
नहीं. So he's अगेन एक लड़का है जो छोटे टाउन से बिलोंग करता है, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू से, बिकॉज समटाइम्स जो हम भूल जाते हैं कि मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज़ में एंड छोटे शहरों में कितना अलग चीज़ रहता है. ही समवन हु लव्स टू रीड एंड एवरीथिंग. ही इज़ अ टैलेंटेड गाय. It starts off as a goofy character, boy next door, but then it has love hits him and intensity अलग हो जाती है, and growing of age type का एक उसकी बहुत बड़ी struggle है, you know, in terms of making everyone understand his point of view. आप कभी कभार बता पाते हो, कभी कभार नहीं बता पाते हो, so dilemma बहुत है. So there is lot of intensity that he carries as someone who sometimes suppresses it a lot and sometimes outburst हो जाता है उसका. And but he's a very intense guy, you know. शिद्दत, चाहे वो म्यूजिक हो या कुछ भी करेगा शिद्दत से करेगा, you know. That is what he is, which one factor which will definitely connect. I don't know, it's a very lovable character. I don't know me.
हम आई गेस जितनी लड़कियों ने D3 देखा होगा, दिल दोस्ती डांस, उनको आप पे 110% क्रश होगा. आई कैन राइट इट डाउन दिस वे. बट कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, वी हैव सीन यू transitioning through TV and Bollywood, right? Tell me, how has been that journey? Because when you are with TV, there comes a specific tag of TV actor, right?
Label,
and
yeah.
it becomes very hard for a person, because we have heard TV people speaking about it very frequently, right? कैसा था वो एक experience Bollywood में जाने का? You know, with movies like Gangubai and now Love in Vietnam. How was that experience?
It was an amazing journey, I would say. I would not like to change anything because it has helped me and shaped me up to who I am today. I think big credit to visionary directors like Sanjay sir, Neeraj sir, you know, now Rahat sir, to take that, to show some faith in me, to show some trust in me, to back me up for this. But yeah, big kudos to Sanjay sir for that opportunity, because only a visionary director of that caliber can come up with something like a fresh face who can do justice opposite Alia, or give someone a chance like that, because नहीं करते हैं लोग यार, बहुत formula based हो गया है. So it gets really difficult after a point to, you know, to be able to get the right film, to be able to reach out to the right audience and the makers, because कोई इतना ज़्यादा calculative हो गया है ना सब चीज़ की, पहला दिन ये, पहला दिन वो, ये वो. So it becomes sometimes, बहुत लोग बोलते होंगे, आप इतना रोज इंटरव्यू करते हो आप लोग, कि बहुत क्रिएटर्स ये भी बोलते हैं कि दैट क्रिएटिविटी में बहुत restrictions आ गए,
लिमिट हो गई.
so I'm very thankful, and that journey has been amazing. मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. I'm still learning. I'm pretty much new to the film line, I would say. This is my first film as lead, so it is really special to me. And yeah, मतलब इतने लोगों ने back किया है इस movie को, तो I'm really thankful to all of them for that opportunity.
Wow. Speaking of संजय लीला भंसाली, हीरा मंडी के बहुत सारे ऐसे एक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने बोला दैट संजय सर इज क्वाइट स्ट्रिक्ट, एंड स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू सेट्स ही इज लाइक कि पेक्युलर हैं चीज़ों के बारे, और डांट पड़ी है लोगों को. तो कभी ऐसा हुआ गंगूबाई के सेट पे?
I don't know कौन स्ट्रिक्ट बोलता है, because I think the right word is passionate. And when you're passionate about something, you are very particular. You become very particular. So I think अगर जब आपको ये समझ में आ जाएगा, तो I think you understand him better. You will understand him better, because मेरे को यही समझ में आया कि I could feel his passion, and that's the reason he was very picky about whatever he wanted to do. मतलब वो सिर्फ एक फ्रेम में सिर्फ एक्टर को नहीं देखेंगे, वो पूरा फ्रेम को देखते हैं और उनको उनके दिमाग में छप जाता है. So अगर आप भी कोई उनकी मूवी उठा के देखो, तो आप कहीं पे भी देखोगे, अगर आपकी आंख हीरोइन जो डायलॉग बोल रही है, हीरो जो डायलॉग बोल रहा है, उससे अगर पीछे भी जाएगा, तो वो कोई ऐसी चीज ही कर रहा होगा जो आपको पैड अप कर रहा है उस सीन को. सो दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ डिटेलिंग दैट ही गोज इनटू. सो वो ही इज अ विजनरी डायरेक्टर. सो अब कोई इतना ज्यादा क्रिएटिव होता है, कोई जीनियस होता है, सो यू हैव टू गिव इट टू देम, यू नो. एंड बट एट द सेम टाइम वुड लाइक टू से ही इज वेरी विटी. ही इज वेरी विटी, एंड ही इज, उनके सरकाज़म भी बहुत अमेजिंग है. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ मैं कभी डांट नहीं खाया हूँ ऐसा. I've been lucky that way, but yeah, I mean he's very, if you understand his passion, you'll understand. And
You understand the
something in you
work.
changes when you work with him. So yeah.
Wow, that must have been an experience, I guess.
Absolutely,
Definitely. Avneet, coming to you, you know, you started very young, at the age of 7.
Yes.
And अब जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं तो we understand the value of our mental health, right? But back then when we are kids and we are starting as a child actor, then we really don't know कि mental health कितनी important है हमारे लिए उस टाइम पे, be it extending long work hours या work culture. How have you managed yourself during those days?
Beautiful question, yeah. Beautiful question.
Like,
And even that goes for you because you also started
नहीं
young.
नहीं 7
I think for me, from what I remember, like my childhood would be just working and working and going to school, obviously. But my parents, I would say, really made sure of what you're talking about right now, because उस time पे नहीं समझ में नहीं आता है, like you have so much energy in you and you're like मैं कर दिखाऊंगी and ये भी करना है मुझे, वो भी करना है, इसके लिए भी, ये भी, वो भी. उस time पे इतना नहीं समझ में आ रहा होता कि the speed that you're going at, you need to calm down and just like maybe let loose a little, have fun a little, go make friends and all that. So I was very, like I obviously am very passionate. उस time पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा energy और passion होता था obviously for my work. But my mom and dad used to make sure that I have that life where have a couple of friends. I have like a group. I am chilling. I'm hanging out with them. I go play badminton or whatever. So ये सारी चीज़ें मेरे मम्मी पापा ने बहुत मेरा ध्यान दिया है इन सब चीज़ों में. And I'm so grateful. अगर वो मेरे साथ उस time पे नहीं रहते, पता नहीं मतलब I don't know क्या कर रही होती मैं. तो I'm just really grateful that they're with me.
Being a public figure, and this is for both of you, I guess, being a public figure, there comes a lot. Especially public scrutiny बहुत ज़्यादा आती है, trolling आती है, आपके साथ साथ एक perception बन जाता है लोगों का. How do you tackle those things? मतलब ऐसा situation होता है, either you don't see the trolls or those messages or those weird DMs, या फिर you think कि it somewhere shatters the confidence कि अरे यार ये कैसे, ऐसे क्यों मेरे लिए बोला जा रहा है. So क्या एक mindset रहता है during those times?
As you said, because you're a public figure, you shouldn't. Sometimes you can't expect Narendra Modi to say everything or do everything. सबका जवाब देंगे नहीं होता है.
Respond to
मतलब
every
leaders
single
are supposed to be like that. Public figures are supposed to be like that. आपको important चीजों का जवाब देना चाहिए और वही है. And off late I've come across this clip जो घूम रही थी Instagram पे शाहरुख सर. He said something like कि किसी प्रोड्यूसर ने बोला था उनको कि उनकी मूवी शिफ्ट कर दो. तो he said कि हाँ ठीक है मैं कर दूंगा शिफ्ट. Then he was saying that producer said कि आपका तुम मेरे से नाराज है ये वो. And then he said which I felt is very beautiful. He said कि मैं सिर्फ अपने फैमिली और अपने फ्रेंड्स और आसपास के जो कुछ कोर लोग हैं उनके बारे में सोचता हूँ. बाकी सबके बारे में मैं जीरो रहता हूँ. There is no emotion of hate. There is no emotion of love. It's just zero. So it's very simple.
Very neutral.
Yeah, it's very neutral. So I got inspired by that, and now I'm trying to implement कि चीज़ों को फिल्टर करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. जो आपके कोर लोग हैं वो आपके साथ रहने वाले हैं, चाहे वो दुख हो चाहे सुख हो. बाकी लोग का क्या है, मतलब चढ़ते सूरज को तो सभी सलाम करते हैं, मतलब बाकी तो that is important to know your core group and core people. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
All right. So with that, we come to an end of the session.
Okay.
It was such a lovely conversation with you,
Thank
Shantanu
you.
and Avneet.
Yeah,
Wishing you all the very best for your film Love in Vietnam.
Thank you so
And
much.
kudos to you. आप लोग इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. Hoping to see more of your work.
Yeah.
Yay.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
so
Malika.
much.
Thank you.